Hey there, my name is Christy P and I'm the Program Director for SheJumps. Today we're going over what to say when making an emergency call. The most important aspects that you want to remember when making this call is the who, what, and where.
This is Harper Pelland. My friend is hurt and she is a female, 10 years old, and got hurt by falling while rock climbing. We are in the southwest side of my backyard.
My name is Christy P. My friend is hurt and needs help. We are located at the southeast corner of my backyard near the fire pit. My friend is approximately 50 years old and is a male, species unknown. He was hurt by falling from a speeder while racing. Please send help. Have fun practicing this skill, but know that the hard skills you're laying down are going to help you when it really counts. When you're stressed out, when someone's hurt and you're trying to help them, and you can clearly, efficiently make an emergency call.